Back in your life, ladies and gentlemen. Market situation update. Good morning and welcome back. It is Thursday today, and here's what's on the menu for today, guys. We got the pound Japanese yen on this video. It's marching forward with a lot of force, and we just felt it was time to take action, so we're going to talk about that. Next video, cryptocurrency market. We're going to check up on the Ethereum. Well, we also decided that it's time to launch a bearish campaign. So that's what's coming on the next video. Let's check out the pound Japanese yen, guys. Check it out. It's just coming off a bottom. And this was not just an ordinary bottom. It was a significant one. And it was a definite one. Meaning it managed to take the previous low, which up until that point was the dominant low inside of this formation. The formation we've been tracking ever since the beginning of the year. Let me show you this on the weekly chart so you get a better picture. So there are two different formations here for those of you who are quick. The big one is the black one, which we're actually tracking ever since July 2021. What I was mostly referring to this time is actually the second formation. Within the bigger one, there's a smaller one. Here it is. This is the big one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me scratch that. This is the small one. 1, 2, 3. And now I believe we are building up the fourth leg coming back up. So right now I'm talking about this formation inside of this blue system, right? Because this is the short-term cycle that's right now driving price action directly. So on the daily chart, it looks like this, right? This is the 1, 2, 3 I was talking about. And what I was mostly impressed by was, again, the comeback we've seen over the course of the last 24 hours or so. Price action was deepening, was on the downside, was on the back foot big time because of events unfolding from East Europe, right? But then snatching that previous low, and the next day, boom, an explosive day that basically, it sets the stage for a complete turnaround. So it was able to smash 154.04 and 154.27 on the same shot. That's yesterday. We think that's a big sign that price action is turning around. It's turning around. It's heading towards the area of which it was coming from, right? So we're talking about 157.50, but we're gonna be good with 156.61. All right, that's the next major resistance level. And without any further ado, guys, we already thrown in 10K, but looking at price action, keep marching forward is a good sign, and we believe it's time to throw in a second trade here. All right, now we work with 153 as the stop loss level, and again 156.61 as the profit target and final destination for this particular bullish campaign. There's a good chance price will get there quickly, so we need to be on our toes here, right? Because we want to build up a decent sized position going forward. So we're going to be revisiting the situation here on the pound Japanese yen frequently. All right, guys, that's about that. Pound Japanese yen looking sharp. Moving on to the next video, cryptocurrency market and the Ethereum coming right up. See you there.